Can't start your game because of the Libtheora.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer, and let's solve this library conflict so you can get back to what matters. As we look at the manual steps for Libtheora, there is also a diagnostic resource for reviewing your overall system health. This DLL file is the primary library for the Theora video codec. It enables the playback and encoding of open-source digital video, often used in conjunction with the OGG container for web and gaming media. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. This error typically means a core application file is missing from your gaming software installation path. Reinstalling the latest official version of your gaming software is the fastest way to restore the Libtheora DLL and get the program running again. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize and unregister the Libtheora component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Replacing the Libtheora without a proper engineering protocol can lead to DLL hell, where multiple versions of the file conflict and paralyze your OS. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. A maintenance-related solution is referenced below for users who want to review diagnostic options for the Libtheora. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing the Libtheora from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.